news coming in right ahead. First up on Times Now, Raju Khage, a Karnataka Congress MLA from Belagavi, has stoked off a huge controversy as he had threatened the voters of Pakkats if they don't make the Congress win by a huge lead in the upcoming elections. Can you believe it? Now, Khage was addressing a crowd in Kagawada in Belagavi when he made these shocking statements where either you vote for the Congress or else we are going to snap off your electricity. Watch this.
400 ಮಠಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾವು 400 ಮಂಗಾವತಿ ಜುಗುಳ ಶಾಪುರದವ್ರ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಗೌಡ್ರ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಉಳಾಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮತ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಕದೀವು ಉಳಿದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಗೌಡ್ರ ಮಂಗಾವತಿ ಗೌಡ್ರ 400 ಮಠಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾವು 400 ಮಂಗಾವತಿ ಜುಗುಳ ಶಾಪುರದವ್ರ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಗೌಡ್ರ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಉಳಾಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮತ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಕದೀವು ಉಳಿದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಗೌಡ್ರ ಮಂಗಾವತಿ ಗೌಡ್ರ
Well, in fact, let me go across to Raju Khage, who's joining us, a Congress MLA. Khage ji, Rahul Gandhi bolte hai that democracy is under threat. Are people like you putting democracy under threat? What do you mean by saying that we'll snap off electricity if you don't vote for Congress? Khage ji, आपने ऐसा क्यों कहा कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी काट देंगे अगर आप कांग्रेस के लिए वोट नहीं करेंगे?
कौन बोला आपको? मैंने ऐसा बोला करके?
अभी हमने आपका ये साउंड बाइट पूरी चलाई है, उसमें आपने बोलेंगे कीड़े पड़ेंगे।
मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, मैं उद्देश्य दूसरा था। मैं ऐसा करंट मैं काट देंगे नहीं तो अगर को नहीं बोला, वो रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन है।
तो आप बता दीजिए आपने क्या बोला। अभी हमने पूरा साउंड बाइट आपको चला के भी सुनाया हमारे दर्शकों को।
नहीं मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला, मैंने बोला ही नहीं वैसा करता मैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मैं कट करूंगा करके।
तो आपने क्या बोला? क्या बोला नहीं मैंने। आपने अभी बोला कि नहीं कि आप वोट कीजिए कांग्रेस को वरना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी काट देंगे। आपको सुनना है, हम साउंड बाइट चला दें आपके लिए?
हाँ चलाओ।
आप सुनिए, आप सुन लीजिए खुद।
400 ಮಠಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾವು 400 ಮಂಗಾವತಿ ಜುಗುಳ ಶಾಪುರದವ್ರ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಗೌಡ್ರ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಉಳಾಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮತ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಕದೀವು ಉಳಿದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಗೌಡ್ರ ಮಂಗಾವತಿ ಗೌಡ್ರ
कागे जी, आपने सुना? आपने ये क्यों बोला?
नहीं मैडम, मैंने ऐसे नहीं बोला। मैं उसको तो मेरा उनका हर रोज का आना जाना है, मैं तुम्हारा संबंध कट करूंगा, मैं इधर नहीं आऊंगा करके बोला। कुछ खाली पीली तुम क्यों उसको एक दूसरा डाइवर्शन दे रहे हैं मैडम?
तो आपने क्या बोला? आप क्या बोल रहे हैं कि आपने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की बात नहीं की इस वाले में?
नहीं क्या है वहां दिखाओ मुझको। नहीं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कट करके नहीं बोला मैंने।
आपने बोला है, काफी क्लियरली आप बोल रहे हैं कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आप पावर कट कर देंगे अगर आपको वोट ना करे।
पावर नहीं हमको तुम्हारा भाषा एक प्रॉब्लम है।
अच्छा
पावर
जी।
नहीं हमारा, मैं इधर आना कट करूंगा तुम्हारे साथ।
अच्छा
रिलेशन कट।
कागे जी, मगर वो भी तो धमकी है। अगर आपने बोला कि आपके साथ रिलेशनशिप कट कर दूंगा,
क्यों धमकी होते है मैडम? ये धमकी हुआ तुम्हारा ख्याल से, तुम कुछ भी समझ लेते हो। मैं नहीं बात करता तुम्हारे साथ। चलो
कागे जी, एक मिनट बने रहिए हमारे साथ। इमरान, जिनको समझ आती है, लेट मी गो अक्रॉस टू इमरान। इमरान, आप क्या समझा सकते हैं इस साउंड बाइट में क्या बोला कागे जी ने? वो मना कर रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं कि मैंने तो पावर के बारे में नहीं बोला, रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बोला।
नहीं, he's caught in a back foot, और वो very clearly it's there in the bite where he says that that if they don't vote for him, the electricity will be cut. And Raju Khage was also said that 400 votes people.
Yes, so Khage ji
ಅವರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರಿ ಈಗ? ಹಲೋ,
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಲೋ,
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ 400 ಮಂದಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಕಟ್ ಕರುಂಗ ಅವ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಏಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಅದೇ ಕಥೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. 400 ಮಂದಿ ಓಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಓಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾವು. ಈ ಸಲ ಓಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಬರದೇ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದಿತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೀಗ?
सर ही क्लियरली राजू जी आप फिर भी डिनाई कर रहे हैं कि आपने ये बात नहीं बोला, लेकिन कनाडा बाइट में तो क्लियर है आपके कि अगर वोट नहीं देंगे तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं देंगे बोल के.
नहीं मैं ऐसा नहीं बोला. दैट्स ऑल. ओके.
Kage ji seems to have cut the phone. Imran, I'm going to come to you. Can you tell us again? Right now, on Times Now's cameras, he has said that he did not say, I'm going to snap off your power if you don't vote for the Congress. What does this soundbite say? Although our audience have heard it twice again, you must explain to us. Is it on camera or not?
Well, it's now on camera. It very clearly says, but he's defending himself, saying that the language is different and they don't understand. And he said that I will cut relations with you, but not electricity is what he's making a stand. But the audio is pretty clear that he goes on to say that there are 400 people who didn't vote from this particular gram, and last time also he lost because of some of the people in other villages didn't vote for a particular number. He says that if this continues in the Lok Sabha, and then we will have to cut the electricity of these people. Now Raju Kage has, however, denying that he has made any such statement. It's viewers to judge. The audio is very clear, and he goes on to say, he said he'll cut relations with them but not electricity, and this is what he says, and he defends himself. And in fact, we further probed and questioned him. He has refused to have any conversation on this issue, and he has cut the call. So we very clear, audio is very clear. My colleague Neha has brought this audio, and where he threatens voters if they don't vote, their electricity will be cut.
Right, so there's an open dhamki going out by the Congress MLA saying either you vote for me or else I'm going to snap off your electricity. This, remember, from the Congress party which has been so worried कि democracy खतरे में है, that we must save democracy. Is this not undermining democracy is the question. We're asking you, the viewers, to connect with us directly. We have the numbers there flashing at the bottom of your screens. Pick up your phones, give us a call. In fact, several of our viewers, Anil Deshpande and Radha, are calling us from Bengaluru. Anil Deshpande, I believe you too are calling us from Bengaluru. Go ahead. What would you like to say?
Okay, good afternoon, Meghna. Just I wanted to tell that these people are expert in abusive languages, and they always threaten the people, those who are not voted. This is not the first time, or this is going to be the last.
Right.
It is happening regularly.
Absolutely. Not the first time, unfortunately. Let me go across to Radha, another viewer calling us from Bengaluru. Radha, what would you like to say?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Radha from Bengaluru. I am only feeling very sorry that these congressmen are desperately talking like this, and it is not in good taste. And if they want votes, they have plenty of other things to say that what they will do for the people to get votes. Instead, Rahul Gandhi says democracy is in danger. Of course, democracy is in danger only in Karnataka, where we see Deputy CM saying, I will not give you water, and this minister saying, I will not give you power. And if power and water is not provided, why should we vote for them?
Absolutely. Very valid point. In fact, Radha, a very informed statement has been made by our viewer, Radha. Now, Radha is referring to a similar incident which was made by the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, D.K. Shivakumar. We'll just get you that soundbite as to what exactly D.K. Shivakumar had said while he was campaigning for his brother, D.K. Suresh. We'll get you that soundbite very shortly. But let me go across to Imran. Imran, this kind of a threat which is going on, will the EC take cognizance? Do we expect some kind of a complaint to be made? After all, the Model Code of Conduct is in place. It's completely unacceptable.
Well, first of all, it is completely unacceptable for any, MLA or legislator or MP to threaten anybody in the constituency. It's a people's choice to vote whoever they want. If they're not voting, that means they have been unable to convince them of the works you have done, or they simply do not see that you are fit enough to govern them. And now it's a voter's choice to threaten voters that if they don't vote, then we will cut off their electricity. Electricity is a basic necessity, and if they're saying that basic necessity will be cut off, it goes against the preamble of the Constitution and the fundamental rights of the Constitution of as a citizen. Life, liberty, equality. These are very, very basic tenets of the Constitution. He's being represented himself. He should know the basics tenets of the Constitution. And in that matter, any voter has any right to vote. Irrespective of the vote or not vote, it is their voter's choice.
Absolutely.
To threaten voters to say that cut off their electricity, it is not only goes against Constitution, but it's a criminal in nature. The people can go ahead and file a complaint against the concerned person there against.
So this is a big story, that it's the desperation which has fueled this dhamki, the deceit that we have seen coming in. Unfortunately, in Karnataka, things are only getting worse. Imran, do stay on with us because